fix it now. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! Now let's disassemble the bucket wheel excavator. Keep going. Perfect. Choose what you want to fix first. Cracks and dents, we have to fix them. We need to remove the rocks with pliers. That's it! Use a hammer to level out the dents. Excellent! Magnificent! The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going! I knew you could do it! The track is broken! Uh-oh! Trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers. Keep going! That's it! Install the parts in the matching silhouette. You've solved the problem! There's something wrong with the wires! Use a hammer to break the locks! That's a lot of dust! Let's vacuum it up! Awesome! Plug the wire into the right place. Heart. Circle. Triangle. Star. I knew you could do it. All done! Now help to assemble Bucket Wheel Excavator. That was wonderful! Now we can upgrade the parts. Go to the construction site.